10 years ago in 2016, I was fed up with my own curls, and not because I didn't love my curls. I was wearing my hair curly, but I was just frustrated having to spend an hour and a half every single day and piling multiple products on my head and wondering why no one had ever simplified this for us. And I found myself standing in a beauty supply store one day, just reading the back of product labels and asking myself, why hasn't anyone ever created an all-in-one product that does the job of these other 5-6 products that we're piling on our heads? And because I couldn't find it in the market, I set out to create it myself. Back then, the Andre Walker hair typing system, and a lot of people don't know this, but he was Oprah Winfrey's stylist, and he came up with the hair typing system, and we're all very familiar with it. You know, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, letters and numbers, which when I launched this brand, a lot of people were still not very familiar with it. So I based our step 3 on that hair typing system: wavy, curly, kinky, coily. And that was my way to just introduce people new to curly hair to an all-in-one product that was customized for those different hair types in a very simple way. People have taken what was a very effective system at the time, the hair typing system, and they've turned it into a tool to judge themselves and judge others. And it's become a space that's just very negative, with people commenting on other people's posts saying, you know, you're not 2C, you're 3A, you're not 3B, you're 3A. And it was a tool that helped us understand ourselves and understand our curls. And I have stood by for the last 10 years and watched this tool be abused. It's a great system, but it's incomplete and outdated. Your hair type is more than a letter and a number. Your hair type is the thickness of your strand, the density of your hair. It's your pattern, your shape, your porosity. It's so much more than a letter and a number. It's so much more than a label: wavy, curly, and kinky, coily. So despite the fact that I've built this brand on the hair typing system, as a brand, we are choosing to step away from it because it's the right thing to do. We as a brand have decided that we're gonna stop contributing to the labeling and the negativity that exists in this space today. We're looking at the system differently. We call this the Love Your Curls system, where it's, yes, your hair type, and your hair type is more than a letter and a number. It is everything: density, thickness, porosity, the shape and pattern of your curls that change with time. But it's also about your hair health, the current state of your hair, not just your hair strands, but your scalp health too, and on your hair goals. Most importantly, what do you want to finish styling your hair, look in a mirror and say, I love my curls? So we're gonna stay committed to our promise of simplicity. We're gonna stay committed to making safe, effective products that work for all curl types. But this is modern curl inclusivity. No labels, no hair types, just focusing on your hair health, your individuality, which includes your hair goals today, not just your long-term goals, but what do you want today? And our 3-step system stay at the core of everything that we do. All-in-one curly is now, looks a little different, but it is our curl defining lotion. This is what she used to look like, and she just got a little makeover, but the exact same formula. And this remains the step 3 of our 3-step system. We simplified curls once, and now we're evolving that simplicity. No labels, no limitations, just real routines that work for real lives. This is your curls your way.